Hey guys, before we dive into this Semrush review, the best deal available is in the link in the description. You'll get access to a free trial and better pricing than going directly to the website. So, grab that link below before you do anything else. Now, let's get into it, because if you're trying to grow a website and get real traffic in 2026, you need to know about this tool. Semrush is an all-in-one SEO and digital marketing platform used by over 10 million marketers worldwide. In this Semrush review, I'm walking you through how Semrush works, the key features, Semrush plans, and pricing, and whether it's actually worth it. Let's start with competitor research, because this is one of the most powerful things Semrush does. You type in any competitor's domain, and Semrush shows you every keyword they're ranking for, their top pages, traffic trends, and backlink sources. You're not guessing what works in your niche anymore. You're seeing exactly what's already working for someone else. Here's the strategy I personally use. Go into a competitor's keyword list, filter by keyword difficulty, and sort by the easiest ones first. These are the low-hanging fruit keywords that don't require a ton of authority or backlinks to rank for. If your site is still growing, this is the fastest way to start getting traffic. And you can repeat this process with as many competitors as you want. Now, the keyword magic tool. You type in any broad keyword and Semrush generates millions of keyword suggestions. Filter by difficulty between 0 and 29, and you instantly see all the easiest keywords in your niche you can actually compete for. Filter by questions, and you find long-tail keywords people are searching right before they make a buying decision. That's content that converts. This is one of the strongest keyword research tools on the market, and for most people, it alone justifies the Semrush price. Next is backlink analysis. Semrush shows you every backlink your competitors have, the authority score of each referring domain, whether links are follow or no follow, and how recently they were discovered. Filter for the newest backlinks, and you're targeting sites that are actively building links right now, which means a much higher chance of getting one yourself. Find the link, find the contact, reach out. Semrush makes the whole process clean and simple. Then there's the site audit tool. It scans your entire website for technical SEO issues like broken links, slow pages, missing metadata, and crawl errors. What makes it useful is that Semrush doesn't just show you the problems, it tells you exactly how to fix them. I've used this on multiple sites, and the ranking improvements came faster than expected. In 2026, Semrush has also added AI search tracking, and this is where it pulls ahead of the competition. Google AI Overviews, ChatGPT Search, and Perplexity are now answering questions directly instead of sending people to blue links. Semrush now tracks whether your content is being cited in those AI-generated answers, which keywords trigger AI overviews, and how your brand is being described across AI platforms. Almost no other tool is doing this right now. On to Semrush plans and price. There are 3 main plans. Pro is for beginners and solo users. Guru is the most popular and adds more keyword tracking, more projects, historical data, and the content marketing toolkit. Business is for agencies and larger teams. Yes, the price is on the higher side, but when you add up everything it replaces, keyword tools, backlink trackers, site audit software, competitor research, it becomes very reasonable. And using the link in the description gets you the best deal, including a free trial you won't find going directly to the site. Quick note on Semrush versus Ahrefs. Ahrefs has clean backlink data, but Semrush gives you a much wider toolkit covering content, audits, competitor research, and AI visibility tracking. If you want one tool that does everything, Semrush wins. Semrush is built for SEO agencies, content creators, e-commerce sellers, and marketing teams serious about growth. If you're running a tiny blog and just need a few keyword ideas, cheaper tools might work for now. But if you're serious about ranking, beating competitors, and staying visible in both Google and AI. Search in 2026. This is the tool you need. The link in the description gives you a free trial so you can test it with your own domain before committing to anything. Stop guessing and start making decisions based on real data. The link is right below this video. Grab the best deal and start your free trial today. Thanks for watching this Semrush Review 2026, and I'll see you in the next one.